Recording, recording, recording. I will do claps. Action. I think I was not straight, huh? Hi everyone, I'm José Jolan, a photographer based in Singapore. Today we are in my new studio. It's been 1 month and a half we moved in, and we already did a lot of commercial and corporate photo shoot and video shoot. But today is my first time doing a YouTube video in the studio. In this video, we will be talking about the new software, it's Paper Color Sync. It's Paper Color. The Paper Color Sync is the software. The color is Paper Color Sync. Color is Paper Color. Paper Color. Soridian. In this video, I will be talking about the software Paper Color Sync by BenQ. The software allows you to see the print result on screen. Paper Color Sync was featured in the latest monitor, the SW321C by BenQ. And I've been using this monitor since a few months, and I did a video review. So if you're interested to see the review, you can see the link below. I love this monitor so much. I've been using it for my photo and video editing, but also when I'm doing my photo shoot, so I can connect my laptop directly to the monitor and see what I'm shooting. It is one of my most important tools in my studio. So if you are looking for a great calibrated monitor, it could be the one. Let's go back to Paper Color Sync. I do print often for my exhibition, my personal project, and also selling my fine art. It was a wish since a long time to have my own printer. This printer is great for the current usage, as I can print up to A2 for the size. But if I want to print bigger, or if I want to use a different type of media, like the canvas, for example, I can go to my friends Brilliant Prints. I love their services and I love the quality of their work. I wanted to have my own printer for a few reasons. First one was to do test print. So if I need to print bigger, I can do my own test in my studio. The second reason, I do a lot of personal projects, so I can experiment new things with new media, different paper. I also do my own photography books since last year. So to have a printer, I can do some tests, for example, for the cover of the books or different things. Sometimes I have buyer or requests for fine art prints. To have a printer in my studio, I can print and send it faster. The last reason, and I think the most important one, I love photography book and prints. So for me to be able to do my own printing in my studio, this is a key point. What color is Paper Color? What color paper ink? No, sync. What color paper color? My white bright. I like white bright. No, I like bright white. You see on the screen to what you see on the print. No. What Paper Color Sync can do for you, it is a simple step from what you see on the screen to the print. With this feature, you can save on time on wasted ink and paper by looking to your monitor. Sometimes what you see on the monitor is not what you see on the print, so you have to go back and forth on editing and printing, and the process can be long. To be honest, I never encounter major issue when I'm printing my photography in a fine art print company. For a few reasons. One, I'm using a calibrated monitor since few years, and second, I always use the same type of paper. I like usually bright white and matte look. I like to use the Epson velvet paper and sometimes the Epson hot press. If I go to canvas, I will go for the archival matte canvas from Epson. But now, if I want to use different type of paper, I think this feature could be very useful for me. Sorry, John, today is very bad. I think you will have a lot of bad editing to do. To use this software, we need to do a few things. First is to have a calibrated monitor, and specifically one from BenQ. Second, usually when I use my BenQ monitor, I'm in the darker area. But today for the video, actually this spot is a little bit more brighter, so there is a little bit of change. Having a calibrated monitor is already a huge step, but let's push it further with the software. Download the software and open the app. Select the photo you are going to edit. And the software will detect. Select the printer model. The software Paper Color Sync offers a simulation of Epson and Canon printers, including Epson Surcolor P600 and Epson Surcolor P800, Canon Pixma Pro 100 and Pixma Pro 10, These models are very popular for the photographers. Select the paper type. In terms of photo paper, Paper Color Sync support Epson Premium Glossy, Epson Premium Semi-Glossy, Epson Velvet Fine Art Paper. For Canon, Photo Paper plus Glossy, Photo Paper plus Semi-Glossy. Select the retouching or editing app, usually is Lightroom or Photoshop, and configure. Once configured, your monitor will be switched to a Paper Color Sync mode, and the monitor's color settings will simulate the final output. Edit your photo under the color matching condition with the app. And now you can print your photo. When your print is ready, you can compare your print with your monitor to see if it matches. The best things, usually we use a light with 5000K to see like the exposure on your print. But in my case here it's a little bit too bright due to my lighting for the video. But in the studio I will certainly invest to get an area with the perfect lighting to see my prints. If you have any question regarding the software Paper Color Sync or about the monitor SW321C, feel free to contact me. And I hope this video was useful for you. And see you to the next one. See you, bye-bye. Can you see or not? That isn't here, so I have to be here. Yeah, so I would not use this one, I would maybe use only this one. Okay. I need a good ending, not happy ending, but yeah, happy ending, good happy ending. Why I touch myself? Dion, I'm very sorry. I don't know why I try to make it complicated when it's simple.